Just while I was picking my grapes, I realized how poorly timed my harvest was this year. I really missed out on quite a bit of abundance here. But you can see the bees actually really like it. Still got a few, and I got some tomatoes in there for good measure, but the grapes I missed out a lot on. But I wonder how many people are leaving a crop of grapes for the bees, since they're so needed these days. I thought I'd make a quick video about that. I really missed out myself, but Mother Nature's doing all right. I didn't really catch the bees hanging out next to the tomatoes as much, but they're still doing good. All I'll see is how many more of these I can get.